How to stop Android phone from sharing your phone numbers with scammers. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop your Android phone from sharing your phone number with scammers. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your settings and then scroll down till you find the option of Google. So just scroll down over here and you'll be able to see Google. So you can simply click on Google over here. Now here is Google. So simply click on it and then you gotta click on all services. So just click on all services, and after that you gotta scroll down, and here you gotta search for the option that says phone number sharing, and you can see that it is enabled and it allows Google to show your screen. So what you gotta do is just toggle it off. And the next thing that you gotta do is simply go back and open your Chrome. Now over here you gotta click on these three dots at the top right, and then you gotta click on settings. So once you click on settings, you gotta scroll down till you find the option of addresses and more. So simply click on it, and then here you can see that it is toggled off for me, but if it is toggled on, there is possibility that it would be shared with hackers. So you can just toggle it off. And then the third thing that you can do is simply open your settings again and go to the search bar and search for permission manager. So simply type in permission manager, and here you gotta click on this and then click on permission manager again. And then over here, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you gotta click on contacts. So once you're in your contacts, you'll be able to see all of the allowed applications and the declined applications. Now, these applications have access to your contacts. That means they have access to your phone number. So what you got to do is you can select any application over here. For example, TikTok doesn't need to have my phone number. So I'm going to click on it and then click on deny. So you can continue doing this for all of the applications that don't really require your phone number or contacts. And once you do so, your phone would be saved from sharing with hackers. So that was basically how you can stop Android phone sharing your phone number. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.